Tired of Chrome feeling like it's wading through molasses? Let's clear that cache and get things running smoothly again. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to clear the cache in Google Chrome, freeing up space, boosting performance, and fixing those annoying website loading glitches. First, open your Chrome browser. Look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is the Chrome menu button. Click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, find More Tools. Hover your mouse over it. This will open another submenu. From the More Tools submenu, select Clear Browsing Data. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up at the top. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Click on it. Choose the time range you want to clear the cache for a complete clean. I recommend selecting all time. Make sure the box next to cached images and files is checked. You can also choose to clear cookies and other site data if you want to remove website login information. Once you've made your selections, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will take a moment to clear the cache. Once it's done, restart your browser for the changes to take full effect. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Chrome cache. You should notice improved browsing speed and fewer website loading issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.